The Riddler. So you think just because you had the answer for the first riddle, you were a genius? Then try this one on for size. And riddle me this. I stand on a hill. My ears dumb. My eyes deaf. My mouth blind. I shout out loud with my arms open wide. I see them cry. I hear them shout. Saying, why? What? When? How? What is all that about? Clue. The answer is out there, can't you see? Try and be a genius. This time for me. Free prize of your choice for first 100 correct answers. Answer to freehelplist@gmail.com.